Elegant. Functional. Simplicity. The new Zip Hydrotap dispenses filtered water, boiling or chilled, instantly. Touch the tactile pad for instant filtered boiling water. Crystal clear drinking water, always on tap. Pour a glass of filtered water whenever you like. Ambient temperature or chill. Zip invented instant boiling water heaters with the introduction to the world of the Zip Hydroboil. Thousands of companies worldwide have since benefited from the increase in productivity, cost savings, and convenience of instant boiling water. Zip systems are installed in some of the world's leading architectural statements. Lord Foster's Greater London Authority building, truly stunning in its concept and appearance, has Zip instant boiling water systems installed on each of its floors. The historic Treasury building, number 10 Downing Street, and MI6 have also installed Zip instant boiling water heaters. Drawing inspiration from traditional Chinese architecture, C.Y. Lee & Partners' new Taipei Financial Center is the tallest mono building in the world. At half a kilometre high, it has 70 Zip instant boiling water heaters installed. After 6 years in construction, Singapore unveiled its new Arts Centre, a masterpiece in design by Michael Wilford. Zip systems were specified for this sensational addition to the Singapore skyline. Renzo Piano's Aurora Place is Australia's most innovative commercial building. Its sleek interiors required the very best of fit-outs, and Zip's first edition Hydrotaps were selected to provide instant boiling water and chilled filtered water. The first building in Sydney to achieve a 5-star greenhouse rating is the Bond, a benchmark in design by Whittaker, Haddenham and Openshaw. Chilled beam air cooling, sensor-controlled lighting and extensive use of natural light and ventilation. Zip's new Hydrotaps were selected for their stylistic and functional energy-saving features. The new Zip Hydrotap has patented temperature control and safety systems. It recycles steam to increase thermal efficiency and has an integrated child-proof safety lock. Allowing fluoride to pass, the submicron filtration unit filters out giardia, cryptosporidium, heavy metals and chlorine, providing crystal clear drinking water. Clean, crisp styling, technical ingenuity, superb functionality. Zip's new Hydrotap is a truly innovative appliance, which is now being specified in kitchens and tea rooms across the world. Zip, the world leader in instant boiling and chilled water systems.